day everyone, I am Janet Balinario from Bethel Ed HE 3A. So today we're going to discuss parts and functions of digestive system. The digestive system consists of several organs that functions together to break down the foods you eat into molecules that our body can use for energy and nutrients. So the digestive system or tract includes the mouth, the esophagus, stomach, intestine, and anus. So first, we're going to discuss the mouth. The mouth grinds the food and mixes it with saliva, where digestion begins. So next is the esophagus. It is passes food from the mouth to stomach by a process known as peristalsis. It is the contractions by walls of digestive tract that move food forward. So, the stomach. It holds and mixes food. Glands in lining of upper 2/3 produce digestive juice, which act on protein. Lower third serve as pump. Then the small intestine fluids from intestinal glands dilutes food. Food is absorbed into the bloodstream. So next is the large intestine. The fluid absorbed from indigestible foodstuff waste becomes solid. Last part of intestines, a container for waste. Lastly, the anus. It is the end of digestive tract where food waste leave the body. So now, let's also discuss the so-called accessory organs include the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. So, food doesn't move through these organs, but they secrete hormones and chemicals that are essential to digestion. Then the liver stores food and makes chemical changes in it. Then the gallbladder. It's sheltered by the liver. It stores bile. Next is the pancreas. It makes enzymes that break down all types of food. So our digestive system plays a major role in our overall health as it brings nutrients to our body. So without good digestive health, you will experience a host of uncomfortable symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, indigestion, and more. So this is why digestive health is so important. So here's how to improve digestive function and steps you can take to improve your health. First is to drink plenty of water. So the digestive system needs to be well hydrated to function well. Make sure to drink enough water according to your weight and physical activity level. Second, eat fresh vegetables and fruits. Eating fresh vegetables and fruits is a great way to get nutrients and natural enzymes that can aid overall digestive health and functions. Third, avoid artificial sweeteners and processed food. Avoid eating chemical-laden and processed foods and start eating natural foods. Chemical food additives, artificial sweeteners, and food preservatives can interfere and affect the digestive process. Lastly, the number 4, see a gastroenterologist regularly. So one of the best things you can do to improve your digestive health is to visit a gastroenterologist regularly. A gastroenterologist can assess you if you have unusual symptoms and recommendation lifestyle changes as well as medications that can help improve your health. That's all. Thank you.